would ever believe me if I told you that was supposed to be a buy. I should probably get the fuck out of here because I don't know if it's going to continue to go down. I was not planning on this trade. That was supposed to be a buy order, and a poor mistake. I just jumped into the charts now. I think I'm looking at a market maker buy model. Not too sure at the moment. Yeah, does also look like it's about to sell off, so I think I'm just gonna hang tight. Relative equal lows down in this area have been taken quite well. With that little move down there, about 20 handles or so. Yeah, shit, yeah, that does look quite. It does look quite interesting. I mean, usually usually you'd get a little poke at this above relative equals, and that should be just more than enough for it to send price back up into this area, possibly. And I think that's really where I would have wanted my move, but again, I think I'm just gonna wait. It's only 12:56, so I really expect any important moves to happen shortly after 1 o'clock, heading to 1:30 or so. Oh, it would also be quite interesting to see. I really don't think this move is done. What would be interesting to see is if price wants to make its way any lower than this. I highly doubt it. How beautifully that took the consequent encroachment. Righties. Yeah, man. I've been jumping into the markets quite late. Today was intentional. Breakfast didn't seem too good on the stock trading side, not for me at least. Let's see, it was 9 a.m. Let's lineate 9:30. Yeah. That's milk open. Yeah, not a lot of interesting price action. I mean, had I been, wanted something around this area. Got looking something there inside that shift in market structure. shift market structure. Next action off of that order block. Doubt it'll keep it down. I really highly doubt it'll keep it down. Man, I always want to get it perfectly within that area, and trading view being trading view never ever lets me do that. There we go. Whatever. I think I want to go short. Yeah, I think I want to go short in this area. Yeah. Seems like I'm in the right place. You know what? In all honesty, because these relatively equal lows were taken, I do think price is going to want to see a bearish direction for this last session. Sorry, a bullish direction for the last session. I'm not too sure. I'm just going to sit tight. Yeah. It's tea time.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
This looks like a really good short. I think I'm gonna take it. Let's see how price reacts over this consequent encroachment. It's only 1 o'clock now. Should be about time for a good old entry. Oh man, it's a little hard for me to read today. Slightly on the scattered side. I always wanted to practice not being too active in the markets when I feel any kind of way, really. The reason behind that is because I tend to make silly and unnecessary mistakes. That's unnecessary. I'm gonna take a short here. Let's see how this treats me. I do not mind taking this short loss. Need to find a better place to put that. Playing with the settings, playing with the settings. Got a little distracted there for a second. Yeah. Man, it does seem like a really good short. I think I'm gonna put my stop loss above. Up here, yeah. Let's have a look and see. I do think I'm gonna get stopped out. Hold on for a second. And I'm back. Yeah, there it is. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. I should probably put it back up onto that fair value gap. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back down there. I hope you guys are doing good. Whoever's watching, I hope you are doing well. If your New Year's going good, pop me a comment. Let me know how your New Year's going. Let me know if you have any trade resolutions or anything of that nature. It'd be very, very exciting to hear. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna leave this trade. Let's have a look. Like I said in the previous video, the consequent encroachment of a fair value gap usually keeps price underneath the 50 level. So if you're looking at it from that sort of perspective, so if you're looking at it from this perspective, the 50 level is here. Above the 50 level, if we find price closing aggressively anywhere above there, I do not want to see that, specifically from a 15-minute time frame perspective. So let's just mark that. 15 minutes, that is a city. So I want to see price stay underneath the city, which I doubt. I highly doubt it. I think I'm going to exit the trade. Looks like it respects this order block quite well, and that in its own could mean that price just wants to see, it wants to go higher. Let's have a look, man. Yeah, don't like it. I'm usually on the fence about moments like this. Logic tells me to jump out of the trade. My personality tells me to stay. But really, what I'm trying to see is any drastic moves going up, any type of expansion on the upside. That is also a fair value gap. Now, that doesn't please me. I do not like that. Let's have a look and see how we trade. See, on a 15-minute time frame, is still doing pretty well underneath that fair value gap. Spoke too early. Still doing pretty well there, holding that level. That 15 minutes is over. Let's have a look and see how the new candle presents itself. I got a mic today, so got a bit of a high quality VR output, so that's going to be quite interesting. I posted 2 videos with a very, very low quality microphone, and hey, I see this up here. You know, this could be a level where price wants to bounce off of. I will not move my stop loss up there. It just yeah, I'm a little bit conflicted about that one. Yeah, here it is. It's gonna get stopped out. I do not know if I should risk an additional $15 or so and move my stop up there. Oh, here's another interesting observation. This could also be an inversion fair value gap. That could cause price to come back down. See, above here, price didn't actually respect this fair value gap. I'm gonna put my stop loss above that. Yeah, it's an additional $10, but I think I'd be doing myself quite a huge favor. Let me give you guys my parameters. Yeah, boop. That's not the one. That's kind of what I've been aiming for. Not going as planned so far. See, I don't want to see it close above this. If that candle closes inside of this area, I am out. Got a couple more minutes to see my fate. If I just get stopped out, I'm not too worried about it. I think I'll stay in, probably see if I can grab another entry. I am quite determined to carry it over, even if it does break over to the top side. I'm pretty okay with that. I'll take it somewhere above this intermediate high. Intermediate high. See, it's really taking its time going up into that area, which tells me that at any given point it's going to make its rally down. But you know, the magic question is always when. That's my stop. I'm gonna push it up. Let's have a look. Yeah, so that's the last time I moved my stop. I'm gonna leave it there, in hopes that price bounces off of this inversion fair value gap, and if not, wicks this bearish order block. it's a little hard to see. Put that back. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. Can I add this to the list? Oop, there we go. Alright. The hardest part for me really in my journey for trading has been trying to keep as much composure as possible, even during times of drawdown, and being able to just relax whilst watching price slowly near your stop loss. The idea of having X amount of money being so easily taken used to scare me quite a ton, and once I think I paper traded for quite a long time, it becomes a lot easier to deal with that. I'm gonna exit this trade. This order block should send price flying quite high up, and I'm not too sure if I want to be a part of that. Yeah, it's going to respect it. So it looks like it's stabbing it maybe one more time into it. Ugh. Yeah, there we go. There's nothing for it to come back down onto. Let's have a look. 15 minutes. What's the 1 hour chart say? The 1 hour chart says bearish. I'm out. That says bullish. Sorry. I think I'm gonna pack up my goods. Okay. So by close, when I say I don't want it to close above, essentially what I mean by that is I don't want to see it close in that area, roughly. Anywhere above that area going into this wick, closing there definitely means it's going to be looking for the liquidity up here, which I think is exactly what it's doing. I don't know. What I would want to see is this candle being the one that reverses price back down to bearish. I'd want to see it just slide the wick into there and then start making its way down. That would be what my ideal scenario would be. If it takes a stop, but this wick, what's the time? 25. This wick, possibly the next wick. That's really what I'd like. I like seeing the fact that it's stretching so far. That tells me that the momentum is starting to slow down a little bit. I do not like that. I think it's going to come stop me out. There is nothing in here that tells me that, you know, that's obvious that it'll keep it in there. Yeah, we're closed outside. Oh, not yet. There we go. You know, you find at times the market just misses your sell order just by like 2-3 points, and you know that's just more than enough for it to keep it underneath there and make its way back down. Usually it's some of the most exciting moments. I do not think that's the case this time. I do not think it's done with its move up. Let's see how it chooses to play this out. Yeah, buy side's looking quite strong. Look, if we do break through my stop, there we go. And managed to make our way above buy side. That's what I'll be looking for. I'm gonna have a very interesting time backtesting this. In hindsight, I see a lot of mistakes that I could have saved myself from. I think that's that candle that I was looking for. Let's have a look and see how it feels. We are going to see a move onto the downside. Ugh, that's just bumping into that order block right there. I think that's going to have a really good time going up. If it doesn't, and it chooses to reverse at this point, what I will want to see is it stay underneath the 50% level of that wick. That is not called consequent encroachment. 50% of any wick is called medium threshold. There you go, there's that move to the downside I was talking about. Oh man, wow. Yeah, I think price will actually keep going up. I'm just gonna wait and see. This could be a nice entry up into buy side liquidity up there. Let's have a look. look and see. And we've reached our week's downside objective. That's really what I was aiming for, the 50% of this week. On my weekly projection, yeah, I might enter this trade. Alrighty, I'm gonna enter the trade. Let's have a look and see. If this doesn't go well, I will be if this doesn't go well, that'll be the last trade I take for today. I don't see what I'm looking for. So that's the close above the order block, above the fair value gap I was telling you about. That confirms that it should be going up at any given time. I think I might actually buy at this point. Alright, that passed a little bit more aggressively, I would have actually wanted to take a sell on that. But yeah, there it is, respecting that 15-minute order block. I'm gonna buy that. Seeing that I'm a little nervous, I think I'd want to put my stop loss just above that 50 of that wick. As an upside objective, that's kind of what I would want to see for my trade. But a lot of things going on here. Let's just remove one or two things. Oh no. Ooh no. It doesn't look too nice. See, on the 15-minute, this is not really like a wick above that fair value gap that I was saying. You know, it's quite a evident close above it, so I don't think it should have any interest going down to the to sell side. I noticed here though that I don't see any reason for it to stay up there besides that order block right there on the 21,170. Yeah, that's a good entry. Let's have a look and see. Alright, that move worries me quite a substantial amount. I'm gonna put my stop loss somewhere up here. And I'm gonna be happy with that if it does get taken. depending on how quickly it passes this intermediate sell side, intermediate low, I might go in on an entry on the return back into that area if it does allow me to, if I get stopped out. I guess those are both the ifs. Quite a strange trading days, last couple of days. I don't know, my opinion. I might see that it closes above this fair value gap. That'll be good news. Looks like it's going to make its way down though. I could reverse the order, but patience is key. What's happening in the news today? I didn't see anything alarming. When I checked earlier, oh, why'd I lie? Oh man, that's on me. I do not. Oh man, that's on me. I didn't check the news this morning. I thought I did. This is the reason for my terrible time right now. I hope I don't get stopped out. I'd like to see this take my take profit, just so I can get out and step aside. Yeah. So as you can see, it's FOMC. Yeah. Unemployment, non-farm payroll, or non-farm employment change. There we go, that's nice. Very nice. As I was saying earlier on, you know, like this literally just missed my stop. 21, 207. I'm gonna be looking up there. I'm looking for the low of that candle. Ooh, that don't look too nice. That might still stop me out. I'm such a fool for not actually checking my calendar. I feel like I just wasted $60 at this point. Oh God. Not fun. Not fun, I tell you. Gotta thug it out, gotta thug it out. Thugga logo, thugga wugga. Get out. This has been uneventful. There it is. God damn. That still might go back up. Took those relative equal lows. I should probably buy this. I should probably buy that. And surprise, surprise, the stop will go wherever this candle closes. That was a little bit silly of me. That was quite silly of me. No one would ever believe me if I told you that was supposed to be a buy. I should probably get the fuck out of here because I don't know if it's going to continue to go down. I was not planning on this trade. That was supposed to be a buy order, and a poor mistake. And I think I'm going to pay for it now. Let me have a look and see. Could take an $8 and run. That would be tasty. Christ on a scone. Yeah, I guess I should probably get the fuck out of there. Get the fuck out of here. Well, another day, another day. Oh man, I don't even know what the fuck to think about, but I should put my stop loss where it should be, like a good boy. Put my stop loss right over this puppy right there. Why did I put my stop loss over there? What's that? That's not a stop loss. So why did I put my stop loss over there? That is above the first candle that created this fair value gap. Where do I put my profit in this instance? Not far. Should probably take my profits now and get the hell out of here. This looks like a Judas swing. Man, I think I'm gonna exit. Yeah. If FOMC is not to be trusted, man. It's really, really not to be trusted. Where would that put me? Oh, shit. Seeing the FOMO starts kicking in, I'm like, oh no, my losses. Gotta make up for them 46 goddamn US schmackies. That's how you bite the dust. Yeah, this is gonna go up. I'm gonna close in no time. Stop to break even. I'm not even gonna play that. Let's make a cute $2. Price might actually stop there-ish. I'm gonna take my profits. Yeah. I keep saying yeah, and I still haven't closed the bloody trade. Alright. So look at how you see how you trade, man. Oh, do my loss as well, man. Hit me slightly above. Not greedy. Yeah, price might have actually stopped right there. So I don't think I'll actually test it. I'll do that. Oh, you nasty dog. You want me to stay, don't you? Do the right thing. Thank you. Yeah, that was relieving. Shit. That was quite relieving. That puts me slightly under what I left off, what I started off today. But not too bad. I'm out of here, man. This is not a session for me at all. I'm not a gambler. I'm just human. I make mistakes. Do not trade FOMC, man. It's just not worth your time. What does that look like? Man. Best times to trade FOMC is New York Open. Finished trading at 11, called it a day. Well, I mean, had I stayed, it would have been a good day, but don't let FOMO. Yeah, I'm out, people. Good night. I hope everybody has a good day. Whenever it is that you're listening to this, please like and follow if you like the video. And more more contracts. More content dropping soon. Wow. Peace.